The market has no confidence. Financing is not strong either. Bitcoin may not have enough momentum to rise. The crypto market is not optimistic in the short term. Tether plans to launch RWA platform. New favorite RWA track. Is this trying to steal the limelight from USDT? The Fed system is on the verge of collapse. How to break the dollar crisis? The founder of Tianxiao Capital expressed support. Only Bitcoin can solve the problem. Most of the customers are crypto upstarts. Ferrari accepts crypto payments. Enter the European market. Cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals are a big problem. Let's take a look at the exchange. How to break the launched cryptocurrency virtual card. Rethinking the world with cryptocurrencies. Master the 24-hour wealth password. Let's slowly become rich together.
This is Media Blockchain. On Monday, October 16, in Michael, 8 o'clock this morning. After the end of the week, we also publish member-only weekly reviews. After the weekly review ends, Bitcoin started to rise slowly. Breaks through now the round number mark of 27,000. It has the potential to reach 28,000. And weekly reviews we have followed, as speculated in previous cycles. Within the next few weeks, Bitcoin may have a technical rebound. The current pressure level above the round number mark of 28,000. You can look forward to it. Lower support level is now adjusted to around $26,000. If we say next, if Bitcoin hits bottom again, so let's take a look. Daily level. This wave of lifting energy, it didn't increase in volume, so it's possible there will be another round of Bitcoin. Short-term market trend turning downward. It may be between 25,000 and 26,000. Then form a shock range. After collecting enough funds, off again. Take another look. The current Bitcoin halving market. There's still about half a year to go. According to the previous rules, Bitcoin is halving quote. It's likely to happen at any time. Let's take a look again. Bitcoin currently, profit situation on the chain. It can be seen from this picture. At $16,000, chips for bargain hunting. Among the 3 periods of rising market shocks, they are constantly being shipped. Among them, during the second period of shock market, shipments are the largest, and in August everyone saw profitable chips has become very small and holding at the bottom, 500,000 bitcoins. At present, there are still 300,000 left. That means these 300,000 bitcoins absorbed by long-term holders. The remaining 200,000 in the process of rising take profits and flee. One good news, one bad news. What's good is what's next. Short-term holders of Bitcoin. The chips are sold. There won't be any next. Too much selling pressure. This is from retail investors. The bad news is, hot money in the market cannot enter. How difficult would it be to increase next? It's also very beady. Today, what you must pay attention to. News from the crypto circuit. Let us take a look at the stablecoin. Its publisher Tether. It can be said that it is a double happiness at present. Last week Tether announced Paul Ardiano, the company's chief technology officer, to be promoted to company new CEO. It is expected that he will officially take office in December this year. Then Paul was on the X platform, posted about him. Brand new news on future developments. He said, it's real world ecology. RWA is coming. This more or less means Tether will launch related to RWA in the future, service or asset class.
Regarding this matter, on-chain data platform Nansen also mentioned in previous predictions, RWA agreement will come to the fore next year. Tokenized treasury bills will affect the supply of stablecoins, bring a lot of impact. And Circle and Tether, it will be possible to get involved in this field. It seems the prediction has come true. But Tether will not do this and give up the research and development and promotion of USDT. Paul Ardiano said, USDT remains Tether's key product. The company will continue to focus on its growth and development. Launch of RWA platform, it will not shake the status of USDT. On the contrary, RWA will be a useful complement to USDT. Provide more choices and opportunities for the market.
What's the meaning? It is possible that Tether will be issued national debt as sovereignty, a rule based on if it is a developed country. For example, The national debt of British, American and European countries, stable solvency. Relatively speaking, it's better. But if it is some underdeveloped areas, or like Greece, the national debt of the country, everyone still needs to be cautious. Price comparisons we saw. Today is on the weekend. It continues to fluctuate within a narrow range. You can interpret it as a kind of the process of accumulating energy. So I saw this morning, breaking through 27,000 again, marching towards 28,000, can 26,500 stand firm in the short term, and whether it can break through 28,000. This is indicators we need to observe. At the same time, economic problems of the United States federal government. It is still in the process of, so the founder of Techno Capital, called Anthony Scaramucci, in last week's The Future of Money program, made some very bold predictions. Let's listen. The former White House communications director and financial gurus. What do you think about Bitcoin?
First, Scaramucci on fire. Directly attacked the U.S. Federal Reserve System. He expressed Fed's operating system already on the verge of collapse. The system lends 43 cents for every. Only 1 cent is real federal spending. Scaramucci thinks this situation is very dangerous because of the borrowed money. When it is necessary to use ratio to borrow more valuable dollars to repay, this could lead to a severe economic recession. But Scaramucci is not deterred. Instead, he saw an opportunity. Let's Bitcoin. Bitcoin is changing, he says. Become a store of value, probably more valuable than gold. In this process of change, Bitcoin market capitalization could reach a staggering 15 trillion.
With internet money, Bitcoin or something becoming the standard. In my lifetime, I'm going to predict no, but some weird things could happen where you could see nations that are hostile to the U.S. trading with Bitcoin or trading with a gold-backed denominated something or other away from the U.S. dollar because of the way the U.S. has used the dollar in terms of asserting its geopolitical will.
In fact, this Anthony, for those who admire Bitcoin, there are traces to follow. In May this year, Scaramucci once said, Bitcoin's intrinsic value, it should be around $40,000, as long as Bitcoin's adoption rate, able to improve, will produce explosive returns. In August this year, he also sent a letter to the SEC. He called on everyone. We should all sit down and talk as soon as possible. How to get approval as soon as possible. Bitcoin spot Fs. So I have to say, Scaramucci's point of view is very worthy of our deep thought. But there is a saying that the butt determines the head. I believe in Scaramucci's hands. I should have quite a few Bitcoin spot assets. In other words, he bought back. It's not an exaggeration.
Almost 25 bitcoins. Pick up a Ferrari. Are you reluctant to part with it? C2C transaction. Not only trouble but fear of encountering problems. Do not worry. Virtual card for the crypto circuit in November. It may help you solve these problems.
In a bear market, many large companies, for cryptocurrency adoption, is very cautious. What is the reason? It is a sharp drop in prices, or fluctuations. Tesla once in 21 years, start accepting Bitcoin as payment method. But because it may be considered a bear market is possible, so it was forced to terminate. But not all car companies, same as Musk and Tesla. Some car brands don't believe in this evil. Now if there's an automobile company, if you can accept Bitcoin payment, everyone thinks that buying the bottom is. What's the difference? Is there such a brand? Yes, Ferrari.
According to Reuters, luxury car brand Ferrari started accepting cryptocurrency payments and plans to do so in the near future. Change this payment method. Expand into European market. At present, Ferrari has partnered with major cryptocurrencies payment processor BitPay partners. Initial acceptance of Bitcoin in US market. Cryptocurrency payments such as Ethereum and USDC. So, why Ferrari accepts crypto payments? It's because we have to deal with customer and dealer requirements. Some customers is cryptocurrency, newly wealthy people. So far, Ferrari has sold its products to the Americas, including the United States. More than 1,800 vehicles shipped. As for trading volume using cryptocurrencies, no specific disclosure was made.
In addition to the US market, Ferrari also plans to, with this payment method, expand into European market. Look everyone, cryptocurrency in cross-border transactions. The potential is very large. If there is demand, there will be transactions. When we were in Dubai, maybe for everyone passing by, we went to visit Dubai, luxury car shop. All cars, both fuel and Bitcoin can be used, or pay with Ethereum. But Bitcoin and Ethereum must be converted to you. Only then can you buy a car. Ferrari's decision, explaining the role of cryptocurrencies in modern business. It is indeed indispensable. Think about it, everyone. Bitcoin price will double now. It's still very easy, at least in everyone's, within the range of expected values. Now at the price of Bitcoin, sell a car. If the price of Bitcoin doubled, that means you pay twice the price of the car, so the car cost remains unchanged. I don't know how many times the profit has doubled, so all the big car companies, you really need to learn a little bit. Now everyone knows. We want to invest in cryptocurrencies. Bear the brunt, just you have to have one. An effective, convenient and safe way to deposit money. Convert fiat currency into digital assets, especially in mainland China. How to deposit money? Almost only see network transactions. Just use Wacket and Alipay. Bank transfer method. Make peer-to-peer payments. There is a drawback to this, just as deposit and withdrawal. The more troublesome thing is deposit requirements, capital verification and flow check. And withdrawing money is even more scary. Black money receive, frozen assets. But in fact, there is a kind on the market. The existence of a virtual credit card. This card allows valid deposits and withdrawals, or leverage cryptocurrencies to make transfers. Not only simple and convenient, and there's no need to worry about being blocked. Today we will take stock of, so far on the market, issuance of cryptocurrency virtual cards. What types are there? What are their charges?
Speaking of exchange issued cryptocurrency virtual card, the first thing to do is Chongping Zhao's Binance. Binance card launched. Binance card is similar to a traditional debit card. Powered by Swipe. Supports transfer of 15 crypto assets. No issuance fee. But purchases and withdrawals. 0.9% transaction fee required. Second Crypto.com prepaid card. Similar to Binance card, there are no annual fees with Crypto.com prepaid cards. However, a $4.95 issuance fee will be charged. Also, when the withdrawal exceeds the limit, 2% ATM withdrawal fee will be charged. Recharge fees range from 1% to 2.99%. Currently, this card is suitable for use with large Crow accounts. Third, Bybit card product positioning is a flexible fiat currency exchange channel. Any transactions made using the card will produce 0.9%. Cryptocurrency exchange fees plus Bybit's 0.1% trading fee bring the total cost per transaction to 1%. Also, all accept card currency transactions made. A foreign exchange fee of 0.5% will be levied. Fourth, Coinbase debit card. Connect your physical card directly to your Coinbase wallet. In order to spend cryptocurrency or USDC, stored cryptocurrencies are converted to USD, pound or euro. Coinbase card, although no direct card issuance or consumption fees, but currency exchange, there will be a price difference fee of about 2.49%. Also, ATM withdrawal fees are 1.5%.
These cards all have one characteristic. Did anyone find out? First, it is a issuance by a centralized company. It is not a payment channel. The second is the handling fees of these cards. All these things add up. It's probably between 3% and 5%. If you have used minimum scarce withdrawal channel, not only is the scope narrow, and the rate can reach about 8%, so it's high handling fee, far from legal payment channels. Maybe everyone is against it. A major reason for lack of enthusiasm, so I recommend everyone to pay attention to it. Use the Visa Mask withdrawal channel at the end of November, within Singapore's compliance framework, to issue this deposit and withdrawal gold card. When it comes out, what kind of storm will it cause? We can look forward to it.
Speaking of exchange issued cryptocurrency virtual card, the first thing to do is Changpingzhao's Binance. Binance Card launched. Binance Card is similar to a traditional debit card. Powered by Swipe. Supports transfer of 15 crypto assets. No issuance fee. But purchases and withdrawals. 0.9% transaction fee required. Second Crypto.com prepaid card. Similar to Binance Card, there are no annual fees with Crypto.com prepaid cards. However, a $4.95 issuance fee will be charged. Also, when the withdrawal exceeds the limit, 2% ATM withdrawal fee will be charged. Recharge fees range from 1% to 2.99%. Currently, this card is suitable for use with large Crow accounts. Third, Bybit Card product positioning is a flexible fiat currency exchange channel. Any transactions made using the card will produce 0.9%. Cryptocurrency exchange fees plus Bybit's 0.1% trading fee bring the total cost per transaction to 1%. Also, all except card currency transactions made, a foreign exchange fee of 0.5% will be levied. Fourth, Coinbase debit card. Connect your physical card directly to your Coinbase wallet. In order to spend cryptocurrency or USDC, stored cryptocurrencies are converted to USD, pound or euro. Coinbase card, although no direct card issuance or consumption fees, but currency exchange, there will be a price difference fee of about 2.49%. Also, ATM withdrawal fees are 1.5%.
In the currency circle and other financial circles, there is a very important difference. The currency circle must have a community. Many times the currency consensus is run collectively by the community. Slowly hatch. A community is not just a simple collective. It is more like a function that provides knowledge exchange and cooperation. A platform to create value together is made up of a group of people who share a common belief value, made up of interested people. These people are in the community, can communicate with each other, learn from each other, share knowledge and experience. But even though the currency community has many advantages, but the biggest problem is there are a lot of people in the community, false information and scams between members. You also need to be vigilant. Secondly, the values in the community, consensus with them, it's not absolute. There may be some conceptual aspects, conflict and disagreement. These issues require members to seek common ground while reserving minor differences. Let us solve it together. All in all, community is an important part of the currency circle. No community, the currency circle will not develop and grow. We want our community to be healthier and healthier, getting stronger. We will have a brighter future. The above is the entire content of today's program. If you think our program is valuable, welcome to give us a like. Of course, you're also welcome to join our member exclusive group. In this link, you can check all member benefits. We're here every Monday at 8 a.m. After the market ends, we will publish members only weekly reviews. It will be based on the past week, as well as analysis of the technical aspects of the news and the general trend of the market. For next week, we will survive the bear market with you. Let us become rich together. See you tomorrow.